In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate HubSpot with Xero. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable connection set up using Xero's own app store, so your sales and finance data can work together more smoothly. Before we start, make sure you're signed into Xero and that you have the right permissions to install apps for your organization. If you're not an admin, you may need someone who is to follow along. Begin on your Xero dashboard. From the main navigation, open the Apps area. This is where Xero centralizes all add-ons and integrations that extend your accounting workflow. Inside, choose the Xero App Store. That opens the marketplace where you can browse and search vetted apps that connect to your Xero organization. Use the search to find HubSpot, then open the listing for Data Sync by HubSpot. This is the official connector designed to keep key records aligned between your CRM and your accounting system. On the app page, take a moment to review the overview, supported features, and any notes on data flow and compatibility. This is helpful context, so you know exactly what will sync and how it behaves, especially if you're aiming to reduce manual entry or avoid duplicates. When you're ready to proceed, select Get this app. Xero will guide you through a short series of on-screen prompts. You'll typically be asked to confirm which Xero organization you want to connect and to authorize permissions so the integration can read and, where applicable, write the necessary data. Double-check that you're selecting the correct company if you have more than one in your account. If your organization requires approval for app installs, you may see a prompt to request access. Simply follow the instructions shown. As you move through the authorization, keep an eye on the permission summary so you understand what's being shared. If anything looks unfamiliar, pause and review the details on the app page for clarity. This step ensures the connection is both secure and aligned with your internal policies. Once the app is added, Xero will confirm that the process is complete and provide a path to manage or configure the integration further. At that point, you can return to the Apps section in Xero anytime to view or manage the connection. That's all there is to it. Open Xero, go to Apps, enter the Xero App Store, select HubSpot's listing, and click Get this app to authorize the connection. With that, you've set the foundation for a streamlined flow between your sales and finance teams, cutting down on manual updates and keeping your data consistent.